Everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to search Palmpay transaction history. The first thing you need to do is to search for Palmpay on your dashboard. Click on the search engine right here and click on Palmpay. Then you click on it to open your Palmpay app. After successfully opening your Palmpay app, on your dashboard right here, as you can see, we have the available balance, we have the transaction history. Don't forget, our goal is how to get your transaction history. So the next thing to do is to click on the transaction history. So after doing that, your transaction history is going to appear right here from all categories or status. If you are looking for processing transaction, you click on it. If you are looking for successful, you click on it, be it failed, cancelled, or refunded. Also, all categories, you click on it. The money that comes in, that goes out. Then to search for your transaction history for July, click on July right here. Then you can click on the month before it if you still want to check the previous transaction the month before July. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to search Palmpay transaction history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.